Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a luxury brand poster with metallic finish. Start with a deep black background and add your logo or product image at the center. Use gradient overlay black to gold for rich tones and now add your text using a serif font and apply bevel and emboss and also adjust highlights for a polished metal shine. Then duplicate and blur slightly for soft reflection and also add golden particles using a custom brush. Now place faint glow light behind the product. Use curves to enhance contrast and richness and also add subtle vignette around edges. Everything should feel elegant and premium.